Before you dive into the stock market, it's essential to know a few things to avoid costly mistakes and make smarter decisions. In today's video, we'll walk you through 7 key things you need to know before buying stocks. By the end of this, you'll be equipped to approach the market with confidence, and I'll even share how to get the best offer for stock market guides, so make sure you stay tuned for that. First, let's talk about understanding the risk. Stock markets can be unpredictable, and understanding the risk involved is vital. Even if a company has a good track record, it doesn't mean it won't face a downturn. What's more, different stocks come with different risk profiles. Some are more volatile, while others may offer stable growth over time. Getting a grasp on risk is not just about looking at numbers, it's about knowing how much risk you're willing to take on. Some tools can help assess this, and that's where Stock Market Guides comes in. They make it easier to analyze potential risks with in-depth analytics. Next thing, research is your best friend. You've heard it a million times, but it can't be stressed enough. Knowledge is power. Before investing in any stock, take the time to understand the company, its management, market conditions, and its industry. Some investors rely heavily on external reports and analyst recommendations. However, tools like Stock Market Guides can help you go deeper into the data, giving you a more nuanced view of a company's financial health. You get instant access to insights that can save you time and allow for a more informed decision. The third thing you need to know is diversification. The key to reducing risk in your portfolio is spreading your investments across different sectors and types of stocks. The last thing you want is to put all your eggs in one basket, only for that basket to break. With Stock Market Guides, you get portfolio building tips and suggestions that emphasize the importance of diversification. They even offer suggestions on how to balance high-risk, high-reward stocks with safer investments. Moving on to the fourth thing, timing the market. Now let's be clear, nobody can predict the perfect time to buy or sell every stock. Sure, some investors are lucky, but most make their decisions based on long-term trends and data. Tools like Stock Market Guides come with a timeline feature that helps you track the historical performance of stocks over various periods. This can guide your decision-making on whether it's a good time to buy or whether you should wait. The fifth thing to consider is costs. Every stock you buy or sell comes with transaction costs, including broker fees and commissions. Over time, these can add up. With Stock Market Guides, not only will you get insights on how to minimize these costs, but you'll also get the best offers and discounts on stock purchases, helping you keep more of your profits. Now, the sixth thing, emotions. Let's face it, the stock market can mess with your head. You might see prices drop and feel compelled to sell, or you might get overconfident when stocks are soaring. It's important to keep emotions out of your decisions. Stock Market Guides helps by giving you data-driven insights, so you're making decisions based on the numbers, not your feelings. Finally, the seventh thing you need to know, the long game. Most successful investors didn't get rich overnight. Stock market investing is about patience. Even the best companies will have fluctuations in stock price, but sticking with them over time can yield significant returns. Stock Market Guides emphasizes long-term strategies, helping you navigate the ups and downs with clarity. If you want to try out Stock Market Guides, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software. You'll get exclusive benefits and a chance to dive into the features that set this tool apart from the competition. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your investing to the next level.